This is day 4! Oh my gosh, day 4. What a day. Oh, nakaramdam ka na ng fatigue yesterday, right? After the day 3, we went home and then he said, hindi na siya
Hindi na ako nakapag-exercise. So, mas nag-focus na lang ako makapag-nap. Kasi, mas priority yon na makapag-rest ako. So, doon na lang muna ako nag-focus. Tapos, inayos ko din kasi yung schedule eh. Kasi medyo kailangan mag-change ng schedule. Pero ngayon, babalik ko na ulit siya. Kasi pwede naman daw na online.
Yeah, so for today, we had to adjust the radiation and the chemo, all of the meds, and even waking up because we had to visit one of his doctors. And then, anything else, observation you felt, aside from the fatigue yesterday? What else?
Feeling ko, paunti-unti nakifeel ko na rin yung ibang mga side effects. Pero hindi pa naman ganun ka-grabe.
Like, what else? What other?
Yung sa constipation.
Okay.
And then, siguro tiredness din meron. Pero hindi pa naman ganun ka-grabe.
Okay, so, also, pwede kasi because we are waking up early. Pwede rin, that's also another factor. That's why we feel a little tired. Kasi even me, I feel tired. Ito rin feels like tired.
But I'm okay.
Yeah. So those things. So we're gonna keep you updated and see how it goes. But so far, everything is still very much manageable, looking good. And now we feature our
1 month after surgery.
Oh, yeah!
This is, yes, it's July 25. Yeah. Now let's go feature Glio Bear for day 4.
It's a Glio Bunny Bear.
We're gonna stick with the Glio Bear for now. So she did a little bit of changing para hindi maging
makulong.
para hindi siya makulong. So I think there's still a lot of things we can do. And
so,
what do you call this Glio Bear?
Ayan, yung scar niya from first operation.
Ang daming pinagdadaanan ng Glio Bear.
Yung astrocytoma with the star eyes, and then the Crohn's with the heart. Kasi on revision siya with Crohn's, so it's a heart.
Okay. So looking good, looking great. See you again next week.
Happy, mansari ng
buti pa yung surgery niya, may mansari.
Yay! And we're done with the first cycle of chemo and radiation.
We're heading to second cycle next week, Monday. So see you again soon. Bye!